Long before the sands of time buried its name, there was a city that ruled the Mediterranean, the great Heracleion, a gateway to the ancient world, a thriving port where gods and kings once walked. This civilization had the power to conjure reality. Teleportation at its finest. Time travelers and the great seers. They could travel from galaxy to galaxy instantly. Merchants filled its streets. Grand temples stood in honor of the gods, and the waters of the Nile flowed through its very heart. But no empire, no city, no power lasts forever. The earth trembled, the waters rose, and Heracleion, once a jewel of civilization, was pulled beneath the waves. Temples collapsed, statues shattered, and within hours, an entire city was erased, swallowed by the sea, lost for over 1,000 years. For centuries, Heracleion remained a myth, a legend told in whispers. But legends have a way of returning to the light. Beneath the murky waters of the Mediterranean, a team of deep-sea explorers descends into history. Their powerful lights cut through the darkness, revealing shadows of a forgotten world. Towering columns lay broken. Statues of pharaohs and gods rest half-buried in the sand. The remains of a once great civilization, untouched by time. Then, a discovery. A massive temple, its walls covered in hieroglyphs, standing defiant beneath the sea. Inside, an untouched chamber, sealed since the day Heracleion vanished. The explorers brush away centuries of sediment, revealing golden artifacts, scrolls encased in stone, relics of a world that should not exist beneath the waves. And then, the silence is broken. A low, deep rumble shakes the ruins. Have they disturbed something long forgotten? Heracleion was never meant to be found, but now it has awakened. What else lies hidden beneath the sea?